folks, welcome to the video. We are here on the river. If you watched my last video where I was showing you how to take the ski off the trailer by yourself step by step, if you haven't seen it and want to check it out, go check out my last video. We are now about to roll with it. Let this thing warm up. I think I'm gonna go up the river this time. So those of you that, like I said, didn't watch the last video, one thing that I did and changed with this ski, I put a brand new clutch for the Supercharger in because mine went out. Last time I was on the ocean, I had an issue where it wouldn't do over 5,500 RPMs, the mile an hour. I mean, if I could guess, I might have done 40 downhill. Like I was I was barely moving. I had no power, no nothing. It still ran smooth. It didn't spit and sputter or run rough or anything, but it just had no power. No power was there. You could tell it wasn't making any boost. This is the first time I'm testing it out. You're seeing it right here. I haven't tested it out yet. I'm excited. I miss the power of this ski. It's super fun because it's so power. I mean, it's a supercharged ski. Today we're gonna have to watch out. The water's a little lower. We're gonna have to watch out for trees that fall from, you know, storms and all. Like you just got trees just kicking it, hanging out here, and then want to grow straight. So it fell over and started growing sideways. Pretty neat actually. Oh, I'm excited. All right, here we go. Let's test it out. Oh man. Yes sir. All right, let's y'all don't know, if you got a ski, you know it's a great feeling to have your power back. It's yeah. Oh yeah, let's go. We have power back. Oh man, this is sweet. The power is back. This water is low for real. A ton of, this is what I was talking about, trees everywhere. You gotta stay in the middle when you're out like this. So all of those, the tip of them were hanging out. Just, you can see about 3/4 of the way up where water was on it recently. Oh shoot, I'm bumping stuff now. That's why I creeped over here real slow. I'm gonna get back in the middle so I don't mess anything up. So the Supercharger is working great. We're getting RPM. I mean, just now it went up to 7,500 RPM as it's supposed to. I guess I'm like so cautious. We're looking out for these trees. I'd hate to freaking sink a ski out here in this lake. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Shallow spot right there. You can see that one crossing was pretty shallow. I don't know how much I really want to rip it wide open like this across here. I mean, this river's pretty low. So I bought this ski at about 70 hours. It's a 2016 and now I have 112 hours on it. So hopefully it'll last me another 112. I don't know if the guy before me changed it or not. I don't think so, but if he did, this one lasts me, yeah, 70, so 40 hours. It's not bad. I'm not gonna complain. So at least, I hope I get another 100 hours out of it. Oh, this place is beautiful too. The trees hanging over. I wish I could go under the trees hanging over, but I'm not gonna try that. Beautiful houses out here. This is just an amazing scenery. It's a lot different from your big waters, your big lakes. This is freaking amazing. Man, this place is absolutely beautiful. Just the dirt and the water. I mean, it's not the clearest, but it's still a beautiful scenery. The tree line, the water is pretty slick right now. And I guess that's kind of the only downfall I would call for this place. It's just all these trees is in the middle of the river, but it's nature, Mother Nature at its finest. Man, but the water is just beautiful right now. As you know, on glass, it doesn't feel nearly as, doesn't feel as fast because you're just so smooth that it's like in a sports car. It's so smooth that you can't even tell how fast you're going. Versus if you got a little bit of chop, you can actually feel your speed. Trim up on this puppy. Oh, got some deep cavitation going on. Like, it's literally like, I don't know if that's bad or go neutral. I have it a little bit like that, but trimmed up I have it a lot. Yeah. Let's go. absolutely beautiful. We don't friggin' front flip over here. Kick right on through. This place is sweet. Are those ducks? Oh snap! Stumps in the middle, literally went all over the top of that, right where those trees were a couple weeks ago. And like this, you can see it was about 3 feet higher. I might need to cool it down a little bit before it gets dangerous. I mean, it's pretty shallow out here. You can see rocks or oh wow, this glass is amazing right here. I remember ripping it through here. It was higher. This, I mean, just looking before with all these trees up, I don't know how much I want to push it, folks. I'd really hate to mess up my ski again just because I want to fly through some cool places like this. This is freaking amazing. You can see here, this is where I go over. There's a stump right there in the middle. Let's see how far I can make it up. Let's creep on through. Yeah, there's trees all out here. That right there will hurt you. Like, that's a full-blown tree. There's vultures and stuff out here. Yeah, it's about time for me to turn around because it's dark. Like, with the water being this dark, it's really hard to see underneath of the water. Oh yeah, I'm hitting stuff now, and I don't know if it's gonna get any deeper, so let's get on out of here. It's been nice while it lasts. I don't even know if I want to get on a plane out here. Nah, you know, I gotta rip it now. Maybe we'll coast it by here. Like, imagine hitting that going 70. Yeah. All right, where's that log at? Where's the log? It was to our left. There it is. Come right here. And we're out. Oh man, there's trees everywhere. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head back because this is, yeah, I'd hate to see it get worse. And if you made it to this far in the video, I appreciate you watching. And most of all, I hope you enjoyed the video. This new Supercharger clutch for my jet ski came in clutch. It works flawlessly, and the ski is now 100%. So, if you want to see more of all things motorsports, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Oh man, this is too much fun. Gotta watch out for these trees. Uh-oh.